of course, I had to meet the new president because bago nga siya, hindi pa kami nagkakilala. I had only been able when he was when he newly took office. All I was able to do was give him a telephone call. And this is the first time I met him was in KL. And pero sandali lang because so we made the point that we have a bilateral meeting. Well, in the bilateral meeting, I'm happy to say that the um, cooperation between the Republic of Korea and the Philippines will continue at the very least, and we have found many other ways where it can even be developed, intensified, deepened, and uh, that is something that is always to the good. And you know that Republic of Korea has always been very supportive of the Philippines. They are helping us with equipment for modernization of our military. They are also helping us with joining our exercises. And beyond defense and security, if you will do a little research, the Korean Exim Bank has so many projects in the Philippines na talagang nakakatulong sa atin because they have a very good idea of what the Philippines needs. Hindi lang sinasabi, some institutions will say, we will finance you only if you do this. Kung yung if only you do this is hindi naman bagay sa atin, hindi natin na ano. Sila, they're very knowledgeable about the issues that we have to face in terms of infrastructure development, in terms of digitalization, in terms of all of those manufacturing. And that, again, is what we discussed. And I said, I hope it continues because maganda naman ang ating partnership, hindi nagkakagulo, maayos ang trabaho. You are hiring very many people. You are transferring the newest technology to us. So that is all again to the advantage of both Korea and the Philippines. So maganda talagang usapan namin, and it turns out that his niece is married to a Filipino. Yeah, because we have a special connection. So I invited him, of course, to the Philippines, and I hope he will be able to come as soon as possible.
Thank you, Mr. President.